Balik kerja terus main game eh?
Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you are new over here, please click subscribe. So let us start our vlog today. This is my very first vlog. It has been quite some time that I wanted to do this vlog, but unfortunately I didn't have the time to do it. Technically today I'm gonna talk about the unboxing of iPhone SE. So why I'm gonna talk about the unboxing of iPhone SE is because I received the item yesterday evening, and today it's time to unbox. I have been using this iPhone 5S. Alright, this is an iPhone 5S. Alright, I've been using this phone for the past 6 years. My wife has been telling me that this is a power bank. Yeah, so this is an iPhone 5S, claimed to be a power bank. The phone is quite old, but it has served its purpose for the past 6 years. Alright, so it's maybe time to move on, and I've decided to purchase the iPhone SE. Just for your information, this is not a paid review, and this is solely based on my own explanation. I've received my iPhone SE. Alright, so this is a brand new iPhone SE. I'm yet to open this. Alright, looks like it's be a problem if I'm gonna drop this. Jangan jatuh ya. The box looks kind of small, but I'm a fan of a phone that is quite small. Yeah, so the iPhone can be purchased. There's a lot of places where you can purchase this iPhone. One of it you can directly purchase from the Apple Store Malaysia. Alright, so as we go through the Apple Store Malaysia website right now, the iPhone SE comes in 3 different colors: the white, the black, and also the red. So the price starts with 1,999, which is equivalent to 2,000 Malaysia ringgit. Okay, so you got 3 different capacity: 64 GB, 128 and 256 GB. So let's go through the technical specs. So the size and weight, blah blah blah. Right, the display is 4.7 inch. Okay, so it's kind of small, you see, comparable to the iPhone 11. It's kind of small, but anyhow, small phones are good. The best thing is using the A13 chip. It's called the A13 Bionic Chip. This chip is used in the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. The camera is around 12 megapixel. The aperture is 1.8, not bad. The video recording has 4K, 24 frames per second, 30 frames and 60 frames per second. So it's kind of a good phone if you're going to record videos. Alright. They also have 1080p and they also have 720p. So not bad if you're gonna buy this phone. You still have your 4K recording for video. Right, so the front camera is around 7 megapixel. To my understanding, this is using a fingerprint sensor, Touch ID. Yeah. So there's no face recognition. I think I still prefer the fingerprint sensor. It's quite easy to use compared to the face recognition. Okay, so the best part of this system is the OS operating system using the iOS 13. So this is currently the new iOS OS for iPhone. So what we are gonna see over here is there will be a major upgrade for the next few years. So buying this phone right now is going to be essential so that you can be using it over the next few years, right? Capability for dual SIM card, yeah. So use the dual SIM card for this phone, and this is what you're gonna get inside the box. We'll be doing the unboxing right after this. Okay guys, so we're gonna unbox this iPhone, yeah? So where do we start? So we're gonna start over here, alright? So this is the plastic, yeah? Okay. So designed by Apple in California, blah 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 blah. Okay. So we have all the pamphlets. Okay. So these are all the pamphlets. We have a pin here. Right. So this pin is to unlock your SIM card. Yeah? You're gonna put this to remove your SIM casing and insert your SIM card. And this is the iPhone. So, well, it's not so big. It's kind of small. Okay, just fix your hand. You have the nice feeling. Okay. So you need to remove this protected screen protector. Yeah, it's a temporary screen protector. It's quite light in weight. Okay. So what else do we have apart from the phone? Charger, right? It's a very common thing in telephone, yeah? Charger. We have the headphones. I was thinking that this is the earpods, but it looks like a wired. It's a wired, yeah? Because to my understanding, the new iPhones doesn't have a headphone jack. Okay, so no headphone jacks. Yeah. So what you can do is you can buy the extension to the headphone, and then you can use this. You can't directly plug it into the phone, but you can buy the extension connecting this to the phone. Okay. The lightning cable. Right, this is the iPhone's lightning cable. Okay. And well, nothing else. That's all. Okay, so let's see. These are all the things that I've managed to unbox. Okay. So it's quite a simple thing, simple phone. Okay. I have no experience of using the phone yet, but I will very soon. So that's it, guys. We are done with our unboxing. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So don't forget to click subscribe at the bottom of this video on the right hand side. It has been quite a comfortable journey to be unboxing this iPhone. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.